I like the simple things that your love will bring, but you constantly reject the finer things. And if you walk away from me, I'll go crazy.
So in today's video, I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Lucyhairwig. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so let's jump right in. Today we have a unit by Lucyhairwig. We have this ash blonde unit. This package does come with their pamphlet as well as a pack of light wig stocking caps. So here is the unit and how it comes. So here's the actual unit. So this unit feels so soft. It does feel like human hair, and it also has like a light silky texture. And here is the cap construction. It is big head friendly, but if you have a smaller head, just adjust the adjustable straps. This unit does feature 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the middle and no comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So here's the unit straight onto my head, and it does not look bad. All I need to do is define the parting area, and on me this unit falls at about maybe 24 inches to 26 inches. I'm not too sure. I was trying to stand on my tippy toes to show you guys, but anywho, I did experience some shedding and tangling with this unit. But overall, I really do love the parting space. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's the shedding, but the parting space looks really nice. I didn't go in and add powder because I just hate when it bleeds off. But anywho, I'm just gonna go in and make the unit work for me, and then you guys will see my closing thoughts. Okay, divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So I want to say, number one, I was really intimidated with this unit because of the simple fact that it is like a really cool tone light blonde. I was like, hold on. But after seeing it up against my skin, it does not look too bad. Now, I know some people are still on that dumbass train of, oh, you can't wear blonde if you're dark skin or whatever. Girl, I wear what I want to wear. Purple, blue, yellow, green, blonde. I wear what I want to wear. So anywho, yeah, I think that it ended up looking okay on me because some cool tone blondes can look good, and it has like different hues of the cool tone blonde. So I really did like that. So let's just jump right into the pros and the cons. So I did like the color after seeing it on me. It was a bit intimidating at first, but once I seen like how it looks and everything, I was like, okay, it looks okay. It's not like super horrible. So another one of the pros that I've noticed straight off the bat is how soft the hair is. Now, it was shedding and tangling at first, but once I put my wig control spray, it did go ahead and calm down as always. So if you guys don't have one, definitely get a wig control spray if you're gonna wear synthetic units. I feel like it's essential and you'll always need it. But anyways, this hair was soft before I added the wig control spray, but the wig control spray just helped to tame it down and make it to where I can run my fingers through it without getting any snags or anything. So yeah, that was one of the things that I noticed, how like soft the hair is. Like, this hair is so freaking soft. So another pro that I like is that it comes with like some like ash brown roots, and I really do like that, and the roots do go throughout. Now, I did go ahead and add a little bit more roots just so that I could feel comfortable, but the roots do go throughout and they do come with roots. But I added the roots also because I wanted to add it to the lace, because I did not want the lace to be visible. I kind of wanted it to blend in, so I went ahead and added it to the unit. So you don't have to do that, but I just had to make everything blend, so that is why I went in with it. But I do like the fact that the roots do go throughout. And yeah, I love how like it has like a nice like luster to it, but it does not feel or look like plasticky and synthetic-y, like, and I really do like that. So yeah, like this unit is cute. Like I said before, honestly I was very intimidated by it because obviously, you know, and it's even messing with my lighting. Like, that's how bright this hair is, messing with my lighting. But it's just so bright, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't know if I could do this, but I think it's cute. So let's get into those cons. So as I mentioned before, this unit does shed and tangle, but all you have to do is get your wig control spray. This one is by Lucyhairwig. I don't have a link for you guys, I still haven't found one, but you can use any wig control spray. I use another one, I forgot which one it is, but I use another one. You could use just any wig control spray that is for synthetic and human hair units, or it could just be for synthetic, and it'll pretty much work. But yeah, the shedding and the tangling, I was like, girl, this is what we not doing. But yeah, I was glad that that was a quick fix, but that was a con, like, because I can't stand when a unit sheds too much, because it wasn't so much the tangling, I think it was the shedding. Like, the shedding is annoying to me because it gets all over your clothes. I mean, I'm wearing a light color today, but it gets all over your clothes and it's just not cute, and I don't like shedding. But like I said before, there is a quick solution for it. Another thing that I don't like about this unit is, like, why is it so long? Like, do we have, I mean, I know some people probably like, you know, hair this long. Even sometimes I like hair this long, but I just feel like it's a bit much. Like, like, why is it so long? And the density on this unit is a little bit too much. You guys know I love full hair, but the density is a little bit overwhelming. Hence to why I have half of the hair to the back, because it's just a bit overwhelming. Like, we don't need all of us, and you know, we don't all need to be right here. So yeah, the density is a little bit overwhelming, but that can be a good thing, especially seeing to the fact that you're gonna have to brush this unit out every time you wear it, so you will be losing strands. So I guess that's not so much of a con, but to me it's like, damn, it's a lot of hair on this unit. So those are my only two cons. That's pretty much it. Overall, I do like the unit though. I love this texture. Like, I cannot stop running my fingers through it. It's so buttery soft, and it just looks so nice. Like, it looks like human hair bundles. So that's another thing that I like. So overall, I do like the unit. I know this unit is very bold, so if you are not like bold, then girl, you're just gonna have to wait until I review another unit by them, or go and look at the other unit that I reviewed, which that one's bold too. So I don't know if I'll ever get like a normal color from them. They always send me like the bold colors, so I don't know. But if you're not into the bold stuff, then just pass this up, girl. So overall, would I recommend this unit? I would definitely recommend it if you like this color and you are on the market for a affordable, like, lighter blonde unit. I would definitely recommend it. Or if you just want to try out blonde but you don't want to spend like a bunch of money, this is definitely a good virgin hair dupe, because it definitely looks like some bundle hair. I know my ring light is probably making it look shiny, but I promise in person it does not look this shiny. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous divas did enjoy this video or find it very helpful or easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss my videos, girl. So make sure you hit that bell. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous divas in my next video. Bye.